Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning, students. Next concept in relations and functions is functions. It's a very important concept. If you understand functions topic properly, calculus part is easy to solve. If you don't understand functions, it is very difficult to understand remaining concepts of calculus like limits, continuity, differentiability, integration, differential equations. Okay, all these concepts very difficult to understand if you don't understand functions. Okay, actually function is a special type of relation. It is a special type of relation. Okay, it is one of the most important concepts in mathematics. Okay, now you can consider a function as a rule. Okay, it is a rule where it produces new elements from given elements. Okay, but it is like a machine where you give some input, it will give some output, it will generate some output. Okay, now definition of function, it is a relation from a set A to set B. Okay, it is a relation from a set A to set B. Now this relation is a function. This relation is a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Now understand this point very carefully. A relation from a set A to set B is said to be a function. It is a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. A relation is a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Okay, a relation from a set A to set B is a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Okay, now here if you observe, here 5 examples given. Okay, now first one if you observe, now this is a relation from set A to set B where element A1 is mapped to B1, element A2 is mapped to B2 and element A2 is mapped to B3. Okay, element A3 is mapped to B4, element A4 is mapped to B5. Now if you observe here, what are the ordered pairs you are having? A1, B1. In this relation we have ordered pairs A1, B1, A2, B2, A2, B3, A3, B4 and A4, B5. But this relation is not a function. This relation is not a function because an element A2 in set A having more than one image. So for A2 what is the image? B2. For A2 what is the image? B3. Okay, according to the definition of function, a relation from set A to set B is a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Okay, every element of set A must have one and only one image in set B, but here the element A2 in set A having more than one image, so it is not a function. Second one if you observe, here also relation from A to B. Now in set A we have elements A1, A2, A3, A4. In set B we have elements B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Okay. Now in this relation, A1 is mapped to B2, A2 is mapped to B3, A3 is mapped to B4. Now this relation is also not a function. This relation is also not a function. Reason is one element in A, one element in set A, that is A4 is not having any image. A4 is not having any image. A4 is not having any image. Okay. In previous case, in first case, we have for A2 more than one image. So that's why this is not a function. This is a relation, but it is not a function. Whereas in this case, A1 having a unique image, A2 having unique image, A3 having unique image, but A4 is not having any image. So this relation is not a function. This relation is not a function. So third example, if you observe, set A contains the elements A1, A2, A3, A4. Set B contains the elements B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Okay. Now in this relation, A1 is mapped to B1, A2 is mapped to B5, A3 is mapped to B2, A4 is mapped to B3. Okay. Now every element is mapped to exactly one element. No? So what are the ordered pairs in this relation we are having? A1, B1, A2, B5, A3, B2, A4, B3. Okay. So every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in the codomain. Every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in the codomain. Here A1 is mapped to B1, A2 is mapped to B5, A3 is mapped to B2, A4 is mapped to B3. So every element is mapped to exactly one element in the codomain. Every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in the codomain. Okay. Now fourth case, again relation from set A to set B. Set A contains the elements A1, A2, A3, A4. Set B contains the elements B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Okay. So under this relation, A1 is mapped to B1, A2 is mapped to B1, A3 is mapped to B3, A4 is mapped to B3. But this relation is a function. This relation is a function because every element is mapped to exactly one element in the codomain. So A1 is mapped to B1, A2 is mapped to B1, A3 is mapped to B3, A4 is mapped to B3. So every element is having some image, unique image. Every element in the domain having a unique image. So it is a function. Even though A1, A2 are mapped to same element, A1 is mapped to B1 and A2 is also mapped to B1. But the thing is, every element must have a unique image. So image of A1 is what? Under this relation B1. Image of A2 is what? B1. Okay. Two distinct elements are mapped to same element, but here every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element. So it is a function. Okay. Next, here one more example I gave. Relation from A to B. Set A contains the elements A1, A2, A3, A4. Set B contains the elements B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So A1 is mapped to B2, A2 is mapped to B2, A3 is mapped to B2, A4 is mapped to B2. Okay. Now here every element in the domain having a unique image. What is image of A1 under this relation? B2. Image of A2 under this relation is B2. Image of A3 under this relation is B2. Image of A4 under this relation is B2. Okay. So every element is mapped to unique element in codomain. So this relation is a function. Okay. Here it is given. In other words, a function f is a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B such that domain of f is A and no two distinct ordered pairs in f have same first element. no two distinct ordered pairs in F have same first element. Okay, whereas in first case, in case 1, we have ordered pair A2 B2, ordered pair A3 B3. So two distinct ordered pairs are having same first element, so this is not a function. Okay, second one is also not a function because an element in set A is not mapped to any element. So A4 is not mapped to any element, so it is not a function. Now if you write third case ordered pairs, what are the ordered pairs in this relation? A1 B1, A2 B5, ordered pair A3 B2, ordered pair A4 B3. If you observe here, every ordered pair are having distinct first elements. Okay, no two ordered pairs are having same first element. Okay, fourth case also similar and fifth case also similar. Okay, a function, okay, a function is a relation from a non-empty set A to non-empty set B such that domain of F is A and no two distinct ordered pairs in F have same first element. Okay, if you consider any two ordered pairs in the relation, if they have same first element, it is not a function. Okay, next, if F is a function from A to B, F is a function from A to B and A comma B belongs to F, means A comma ordered pair A comma B belongs to the function. Okay, then F of A is equal to B, means image of F, image of element A under the function F is B. Okay, then F of A equal to B, where B is called image of F, image of A under the function F. Okay, if F of A equal to B, where B is called image of A under the function F, and A is called pre-image of B under the function F. Okay, now if you write F of A is equal to B, what is it meaning is image of A under the function F is B. Okay, pre-image of B under the function F is A. Okay, now for example, if you see here third one, okay, so what are the ordered pairs in this function? A1 B1, okay, ordered pair A1 B1 belongs to F. Okay, ordered pair A2 B5 belongs to F, ordered pair A3 B2 belongs to F, ordered pair A4 B3 belongs to F. Okay, now ordered pair A1 B1 belongs to F. What is it meaning? F of A1 is equal to B1. Okay, so image of element A1 under the function F is B1. Okay, next, pre-image of B1 under the function F is what? A1. Okay, this is regarding image and pre-image of a function. Okay, so this is the basic concept. Now we'll discuss some example problems. Okay, a relation R is defined on natural numbers. A relation R is defined on natural numbers as R is equal to ordered pair x comma y. A relation between x and y is given as y is equal to 2 times of x. Y is equal to 2 times of x. Y is equal to 2x. Okay, where x and y are natural numbers. What is the domain, codomain and range of the relation? What is the domain, codomain and range of the relation? Or second question is this relation is a function or not? Is this relation a function or not? Okay, now here function is, this relation is defined on n, means natural numbers. This relation is defined on natural numbers. So domain of the function is what? Natural numbers. Now how it is defined? Ordered pair x comma y, y is equal to 2x. Okay, relation is defined on n, means both domain and codomain are natural numbers. Okay, how it is defined? Suppose x belongs to first set and y belongs to second set. How it is defined? Y is equal to 2 times of x. Okay, so second element is twice the first element. So it will be like this, no? When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, 1 comma 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8. So what kind of ordered pairs here in this relation we have? Ordered pair 1 comma 2, ordered pair 2 comma 4, ordered pair 3 comma 6, ordered pair 4 comma 8, ordered pair 5 comma 10, and so on. So if you observe, domain is all the first elements of the ordered pairs. So domain is all natural numbers. Range is second elements of all ordered pairs in the relation. So what are the ordered pairs in the relation we have? Ordered pair 1 comma 2, ordered pair 2 comma 4, ordered pair 3 comma 6, ordered pair 4 comma 8. Now here this is domain, this whole set is codomain, whichever elements are having pre-images that comes under range. So range is what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on, nothing but even natural numbers. So range of R is what? Even natural numbers. Okay. Next, whether this relation is a function or not. This relation is a function or not. Okay. Now here if you observe, every element in the domain is mapped to unique element in codomain. Every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain. Okay. Every element in the domain is mapped to exactly one element in the codomain. So obviously it is a relation. Okay. That is what is written here. Every natural number n in domain has one and only one image. Okay. So this relation is a function. This relation is a function. Okay. Now here what is given is relation is defined on natural numbers. So domain and codomain both are natural numbers, and relation is defined as ordered pair x comma y, and relation between x and y is given as y is equal to 2 times of x. Okay. What is the domain, what is the codomain, and what is the range of the relation, whether this relation is a function or not. Okay. Now here function is defined on natural numbers. So domain and codomain both are natural numbers. Okay. How function is defined? Y is equal to 2 times of x. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So 1 comma 2, ordered pair 1 comma 2, ordered pair 2 comma 4, ordered pair 3 comma 6, ordered pair 4 comma 8, and so on up to infinite. Okay. So if you observe, domain is first set, that is natural numbers. Codomain is second set, that is all natural numbers. Range is what? Whatever elements are having pre-images. Okay. So 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on comes under range. Nothing but even natural number. Natural number. Okay. So here whether this relation is a function or not, how we can check? See here, if you observe, every element in domain is having exactly one image. Okay. Every element in domain having one and only one image. So this relation is a function. This relation is a function. Okay. Next question. Examine each of the following relations given below and state in each case given relation is a function or not. Okay. You have to check whether the given relation is a function or not. Okay. In this one, first one is given as ordered pair 2 comma 1, ordered pair 3 comma 1, ordered pair 4 comma 2. Okay. This relation having the ordered pairs, ordered pair 2 comma 1, ordered pair 3 comma 1, ordered pair 4 comma 2. Okay. Now if you observe, what are the elements in the domain? First elements of the ordered pairs 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2 is mapped to 1, 3 is mapped to 1, 4 is mapped to 2. Okay. So every element, that is 2, 3, 4, these are the elements in the domain of the relation. Every element is mapping to a unique element. Okay. So every element having unique image. Every element is having unique image. Suppose you have something like this. Suppose 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 2, again 2 comma 3. In such case it is not a function, but here 2, 3, 4 are mapped to unique elements, are having unique images. So this relation is a function. This relation is a function. Okay. Next question. Now here you have to examine whether the given relation is a function or not. Okay. Given relation is function or not. Now here relation is given as ordered pair 2 comma 2, ordered pair 2 comma 4, ordered pair 3 comma 3, ordered pair 4 comma 4. Here this relation is not a function because we have two ordered pairs 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. Here among these two, in these two ordered pairs, first element is what? 2. Okay, first element 2 and having two images 2 and 4. Okay, now one element having more than one image means relation is not a function. Relation is not a function. That is what it is written here. The same first element 2 corresponds to two different images 2 and 4. Okay, this relation is not a function. Here in this relation we have 4 ordered pairs. Among those 4 ordered pairs, 2 ordered pairs 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. In these 2 ordered pairs, first element is same. Okay, so one element is mapped to more than one element. Okay, a relation is a function if every element of domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain. Okay, here 2 ordered pairs having same first element. Okay, 2 comma 2 and 2 comma 4 means 2 is mapped to, in domain 2 is mapped to more than one element. So this relation is not a function. Okay, next one. R is given as, relation R is given as ordered pair 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7. Now if you observe here we have 6 ordered pairs. 6 ordered pairs. What are those? 1 2 2 3 3 4, ordered pair 4 5, ordered pair 5 6, ordered pair 6 7. Okay, so in these all ordered pairs, first elements are distinct only, no? In every ordered pair, first element is distinct, means every element in domain is mapped to exactly one element in codomain. Okay, every element has one and only one image. Has one and only one image. So this relation is a function. Okay, clear? Okay, next. But definition, what is a real function? Real valued function and real function. If you define function from A to B or R to R, N to N, will define like that. Okay, now a function which has either real number set or one of its subsets as range of the function. Function from A to B, for example, function from A to B, f from A to B. Suppose B is a subset of R. B is subset of R. Or else if you have something like this, f from R to R, f from R to R. Okay, so range is what? All real numbers. Okay, a function which has either real number set as range or one of its subsets as its range is called real valued function. Real valued function. Okay, a function is real valued function if its range is either real number set or subset of real number set. Okay, a function is a real valued function if its range is real number set or one of its subset. Okay, further if domain is also either real number set or subset of a real number set. Okay, domain and codomain both are real number set or subsets of real number set. In such case we call such a function as real function. Okay, when a function from A to B, suppose B is subset of R, then such function is called real valued function. Suppose if you have f from R to R, function is real valued function. Okay, similarly if domain is also subset of R, domain is also subset of R, codomain is also subset of R or real number set, we call such a function as real function. Okay, real function. Okay, but now we'll discuss some functions and their graphs. In every function the important thing is what is the domain of the function, what is the range of the function and rough graph of the function. These three very important. Okay, these three very important. Okay, now first function, identity function. Identity function. Okay, let R be a set of real numbers. We define a real valued function f from R to R by f of x is equal to x, y is equal to f of x, that is equal to x for every x belongs to R. Such a function is called identity function. Okay, I already told you function is like a machine. Function is like a machine. You give something, it will give some other output. Okay. Now identity function means whatever you give as input, same output you will get. Okay. So f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 2, f of 10 is equal to 10, f of 100 is equal to 100, f of minus 1000 is equal to minus 1000, f of 0.5 is equal to 0.5, f of 1.5 is equal to 1.5. Okay. Such a function is called identity function. Whatever input you give, same output you will get. Okay. Let R be a real number set. Okay. Define a real valued function f from R to R as f of x is equal to x. Okay. Here we give some variable, we will get some output. Suppose f of x is equal to x means f of 1 is how much? 1. F of 2 is how much? 2. F of 3 is how much? 3. F of 4 is how much? 4. Okay. For every x belongs to R. Such function is called identity function. Okay. Now y is equal to f of x, y is equal to x, or else y is equal to x. Now here x is independent variable, y is dependent variable. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to how much? 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to how much? 2. When x is equal to 10, y is how much? 10. When x is 100, y is how much? 100. When x is 1.5, y is 1.5. So if you write as ordered pairs, you will get ordered pair as 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 10, 10, 100, 100, 0.5, 0.5, 1.5, 1.5, minus 1.5, minus 1.5. Okay. If you plot all those points, you will get a graph like this. You will get a graph like this. Straight line passing through origin. Okay. Here every point on this line, okay, ordered pair x comma y both are same. Now this is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1.5, 1.5, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30 like that. Okay. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4 and so on. Okay. This is a graph of identity function is a straight line passing through origin. Okay. Here what is domain and what is range of the function? Now what is the domain of the function means what values we can give for the function. Range means what function is giving. Suppose our function is f of x is equal to x square. For example, f of x is equal to x square. F of x equal to x square, when x is 0, 0 square is 0. When x is 1, 1 square is 1. When x is 2, f of 2 is 2 square. When x equal to 3, f of 3 is 3 square. Okay. When f is minus 1, when x is minus 1, f of minus 1 is minus 1 square, that is 1. Okay. When x is minus 2, f of minus 2 is 2 square is 4. Like that we will get. Okay. Now here y is equal to f of x is equal to x. Now this is the graph of the function. Okay. Now here x values, what values you can give for the function x defines the domain, and what values function is giving by giving the different values for the domain. Okay. Different values for x gives range. Now graph, if you observe, graph is in first quadrant and third quadrant. Okay. But in first quadrant and third quadrant, now here first quadrant and third quadrant, now here both x positive, y positive. In third quadrant both x negative, y negative. Means if you stretch like this, it will goes up to minus infinity up to plus infinity. So domain is all real numbers, range is also all real numbers. Domain is all real numbers, range is all real numbers. Okay. Identity function. Okay. Next, constant function. The next function is constant function. We will define a constant function f from R to R by f of x is equal to c. F of x equal to c, where c is any constant number. C is a constant. Okay. And x is any real number. Means suppose f of x is equal to 5. F of x equal to 5, what is it meaning is in place of x, whatever you substitute, you will get 5 only. Okay. Whatever you substitute, you get 5 only. Suppose f of x equal to 2. Okay. Here we draw the graph. Okay. Now here we have, now see here, this is y is equal to 2 line. No? Y is equal to 2 line. Okay. Y is equal to 2 line. Now here if you take on this line, if you take ordered pair, any ordered pair, y value is how much? 2 only. So it is a constant function f of x is equal to 2. f of x equal to 2. Now if you take points here, so what we get, this is 0 comma 2, this is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 2, okay, 7 comma 2 and so on. Here minus 1 comma 2, minus 2 comma 2, minus 3 comma 2, minus 4 comma 2, minus 5 comma 2 and so on. Okay, so domain, what values you can give for x? You can give any real number. So domain of the function is all real numbers. Domain of the function is all real numbers, but range is what? Single number. Range is single number. Now in this case, in this graph, range is what? Singleton 2. Range is singleton 2. Okay. Also, graph of constant function, it is a line parallel to x-axis. It is a line parallel to x-axis. It is a line parallel to x-axis. Suppose f of x equal to minus 4. F of x equal to minus 4 means you will get a line parallel to x-axis somewhere here like this. Okay, constant function f of x equal to minus 4. Okay, so domain of constant function is all real numbers. Range of constant function is a singleton number. Okay, next function, polynomial function. A function from f from R to R is a polynomial function if f of x equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus and so on up to an x power n, where n is a non-negative integer and a naught, a1, a2, a3 and so on, an are real numbers, constant real numbers. Okay, now if you consider something like this, f of x equal to x plus 2, f of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, f of x equal to x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1. Okay, like these functions are called polynomial functions. Okay, here example given, f of x equal to x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1, it is a polynomial function. G of x equal to x cube plus root 2x, okay, is a polynomial function. Okay, but here h of x equal to x power 5 by 2 plus 2x, it is not a polynomial function. What is the reason? Reason is, now if you observe here polynomial function definition, okay, a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and so on up to an x power n. Here index n is what? Non-negative integer, non-negative integer. But here what is n? N is 5 by 2, which is a rational number. Okay, it should not be a rational number or negative integer or negative rational number, irrational number. Okay, suppose you have x power 5 plus 2x is a polynomial function, but x power 5 by 2 plus 2x is not a polynomial function. Okay, so a function of the form f of x equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and so on up to an x power n, where n is a non-negative integer and a naught, a1, a2, a3 and so on, an are real numbers or constants. We call such a function as a polynomial function. Okay, example given here, f of x equal to x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1 is a polynomial function. Okay, polynomial function of degree 3. Degree 3, highest power of x is how much? 3. So it is a polynomial function of degree 3. Okay, now here x cube plus root 2x, now this is also polynomial function of degree 3. Okay, now h of x equal to x power 5 by 2 plus 2x, it is not a polynomial function because highest power of x is how much here? 5 by 2, which is a rational number. Okay, which is a rational number. Okay, f of x is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and so on up to an x power n is a polynomial function if n is a non-negative integer and a naught, a1, a2, a3 and so on, an are real numbers. Okay, now up to here we will conclude. Next class we will discuss some more functions and problems related to these concepts. Okay.